Like before, I didn't know how a good PRD is written. So now I think I can even judge between a bad and a good PRD. Even by doing the assignments, I have realized that my confidence has increased much more than before. And, like you didn't just focus on the assignments and stuff like that. You both focused on our personal growth as well. So yeah, it was very fun and interactive. So I enjoyed every session that you took. I would actually go and try it out whatever you told me, and that has really worked. So I feel much more confident to answer those questions now. For me, it was essentially three things. Like when I started working as an intern, like it was just 2 months, right? I didn't know how to communicate with different stakeholders. So the cohort in general helped me. Like after using your suggestions at my own company, I could see how things started falling into place, and I was able to effectively communicate with different stakeholders, including the marketing team. And I feel a lot more confident now, not just when it comes to like answering interviews, but also like doing well in a company and also handling ambiguous situations. So and yeah, I think even when it comes to PIDs, I can uh, like before I didn't know how a good PID is written. So now I think I can even judge between a bad and a good PID. So I have that confidence now. These three things were like a turning point for me. Like as a mentor, I think like you were ready to help us not just when it came to the cohort, but like with respect to anything, like any challenges that we faced at work. So I always had that guidance from you. And like you didn't just focus on the assignments or stuff like that. You both focused on our personal growth as well. So that was like really helpful for all of us, I believe. So it was more of practical knowledge and rather than just theory. And you would always let us ask you questions whenever we had any doubts. So that was the best part. And yeah, it was very fun and interactive. So I enjoyed every session that you took. It has helped me, like even the PID, right? The same things that you've taught us, I've implemented the same thing in my company. And it has helped me a lot. Like even the UTMs, the slugs. So that was a very new concept. And your solution templates also helped us to create better, uh, better assignments. So also the tracking dashboard that you showed us. That is something that I will be doing because that really blew my mind. So I've never seen anyone doing that. So that is
Which
something.
which one? Which one exactly?
The bit tracking the Jira dashboard.
Oh, yes, 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 of course. Yes,
That is something that
of
like we'll
course.
be doing and will also be doing in my future companies wherever I join. So, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So like I mean even I would get confused when it came to the structured templates that everyone would provide on LinkedIn, right? So I think that is not really effective. And RCA, I think, is one of the topics where a lot of APMs also get scared of. So, but now when you have covered these concepts, we know how to answer and tackle these questions effectively. And also, even in our organization, I think if that's implemented really well, we'll be able to forecast, where the issues could go wrong and prevent things from, like, prevent key metrics from dropping further. So that was really insightful. I enjoyed that session a lot. The one-on-one sessions are really fruitful. Like I would ask you about, I think even how to tackle really difficult situations at work. So that has really helped me. I would actually go and try it out, whatever you've told me, and that has really worked. So and even in terms of like my resume building and stuff like that, so that has also helped me a lot. Like whenever I'd done mocks before, the questions were quite repetitive, right? They were all around product design or like improvement and stuff like that. But there are other questions also which a senior PM could ask you and it would be judged based on that. So I think you sort of brought that into picture and that gave me a better understanding of what other sort of questions could come and like I could be prepared for that. I feel much more confident to answer those questions now. Like before, I wasn't really. I mean, I wasn't that confident of cracking a good job probably, or like even an APM role. I thought I would have to go for an internship again. So post joining this cohort, I feel like I'm 100% sure that I can get an APM role or probably even a PM role. Even by doing the assignments, I realized that my confidence has increased much more than before. So I definitely recommend switch to product to any person who wants to get into a product role.